Introduction. Welcome to the interview for the role of Azure DevOps Engineer. In this interview, we will be discussing tasks in Azure Pipelines. Let's get started. Question 1. What are tasks in Azure Pipelines? Answer 1. Tasks are the building blocks of a pipeline in Azure Pipelines. They are individual units of work that are executed as part of a pipeline and can perform a wide range of actions such as building, testing, deploying, and releasing applications. Question 2. What are the different types of tasks available in Azure Pipelines? Answer 2. There are several types of tasks available in Azure Pipelines, such as agent tasks. These are tasks that are executed on an agent machine, such as running a script or copying files. Service tasks. These are tasks that interact with Azure services, such as deploying an Azure Web App or publishing a container image to Azure Container Registry. Utility tasks. These are tasks that provide utility functionality, such as sending an email or publishing test results. Deployment tasks. These are tasks that are used for deploying an application to a target environment, such as deploying to a Kubernetes cluster or a virtual machine. Question 3. Can you explain the syntax of a task in Azure Pipelines? Answer 3. A task YUM syntax and typically consists of several key value pairs that specify the task properties, such as the task name, the task type, and the task inputs. Here's an example. Question 4. How can you customize a task in Azure Pipelines? Answer 4. You can customize a task in Azure Pipelines by modifying its inputs, which are defined as key value pairs in the YUM syntax. You can also use task groups, which allow you to create reusable sets of tasks that can be used across multiple pipelines. Question 5. What are the benefits of using tasks in Azure Pipelines? Answer 5. There are several benefits of using tasks in Azure Pipelines, such as modularization. Tasks enable you to break down a complex pipeline into smaller, more manageable units. Reusability. Tasks can be reused across different pipelines, and task groups can be used to create reusable sets of tasks. Consistency. Tasks ensure that the same actions are performed consistently across different pipelines, reducing the risk of errors. Flexibility. Tasks provide a wide range of functionality, enabling you to build, test, deploy, and release applications using Azure Pipelines. Q. What are the key principles of DevOps? A. The key principles of DevOps include collaboration, communication, automation, continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment. These principles are aimed at improving software delivery speed, quality, and reliability. Q. What is the role of automation in DevOps? A. Automation plays a critical role in DevOps as it helps to reduce manual errors, increase efficiency, and improve consistency in software delivery. Automation tools can be used to automate tasks such as testing, building, deploying, and monitoring applications. Q. How do you ensure that a DevOps team is aligned with business goals? A. To ensure that a DevOps team is aligned with business goals, it is important to have a clear understanding of the business objectives and communicate them effectively to the team. The team should be involved in the planning and decision-making process, and performance metrics should be aligned with business goals. Q. What is the role of testing in DevOps? A. Testing plays a critical role in DevOps as it helps to ensure that the software being delivered is of high quality and meets the customer's requirements. Testing should be automated wherever possible and should be performed continuously throughout the software development lifecycle. Q. What is infrastructure as code, IAC? A. Infrastructure as code, IAC, is a DevOps practice that involves using code to automate the provisioning and management of infrastructure. IAC enables infrastructure to be treated as code, which means that it can be versioned, tested, and deployed using the same tools and processes as application code. Q. How do you ensure security in a DevOps environment? A. Security should be integrated into every aspect of the DevOps process, from design to deployment. This can be achieved by implementing security controls such as access controls, encryption, and vulnerability scanning, and by using secure coding practices. Q. What is the role of containers in DevOps? A. Containers are a key technology in DevOps as they enable applications to be packaged and deployed in a consistent and portable manner. Containers can be used to streamline the software delivery process, improve scalability and reliability, and reduce infrastructure costs. Q. How do you measure the success of a DevOps initiative? A. The success of a DevOps initiative can be measured using a variety of metrics such as deployment frequency, lead time for changes, mean time to recovery, and customer satisfaction. These metrics should be aligned with business goals and should be tracked over time to assess the effectiveness of the DevOps process. That concludes our discussion on tasks in Azure Pipelines. We hope this has been informative and helpful in your preparation for the Azure DevOps Engineer role.